Hare Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Welcome to the Wisdom Nuggets. Today's topic is very important for the devotees to know the perfect method to realize Krishna. The answer is given in Srimad Bhagavatam. The very beginning chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam is stated that Tasradhadana Munaya Yukta Vairagya Jnana Vairagya Yuktaya Pasyanti Atmanam Atmani Cha Atmanam Bhaktya Sruta Grihitaya. The translation is here that the seriously inquisitive student or sage, well equipped with knowledge and detachment, realize that absolute truth by rendering devotional service in terms of what he has heard from Vedanta Sutra. That means the devotional service should not be based on sentiment, but based on the authorized Vedic literature. And the foreground is Vedic knowledge and detachment from material association, and fixed in devotional service by the process of oral reception from the Vedic literature through the parampara system from a bona fide spiritual master. The perfect method of realizing Krishna. We should hear from spiritual master. We should hear the Vedanta Sutra from the spiritual master through the parampara system, and well equipped with knowledge and detachment. That is the perfect method. It is not based on sentiment that ignores the Vedic literature. That become a disturbances in devotional service. It is stated by Rupa Goswami that Shruti Smriti Puranadi Pancha Pancharatrika Vidim Mina Aikunchaka Harer Bhaktir Utpadeiva Kalpate. It creates disturbances. That Prabhupada has written very nice in this purport that the serious student should, sincere student, therefore be prepared to hear from the Vedic literatures like Upanishad, Vedanta, other literature led by previous authority or Goswami for the benefit of his progress. Without hearing such literature, one cannot make actual progress. That is not possible. And without hearing and following the instruction, the show of devotional service becomes worthless, and therefore a sort of disturbances in the path of devotional service. Therefore, it cannot be executed with your sentiment or imagination or whimsical. It has to be strictly according to the Vedic literature, what we have had from Vedanta through our spiritual master in a parampara system. Also the knowledge, jnana, vairagya, along with jnana and vairagya. Knowledge and detachment. Bhakti means there has to be knowledge and detachment. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.